want to know what one of the biggest gaps is in internal comms today? Most teams don't actually have a strategy. They're often too busy, which keeps them stuck in execution mode. Messages are sent, updates go out, and everyone hopes for the best. But without a clear internal comms strategy or tracking in place, there's no way to know what's working or if anyone's even paying attention. If this sounds like you, you're not alone. The fix? It starts with one foundational step to building an internal comms strategy, and that is auditing your internal comms. Before you can improve, segment, or personalize anything, you need to understand what's actually happening right now. So what's being sent, who's receiving it, and how it's performing. Start by setting clear goals for your audit. Then collect real data, so opens, clicks, read time, even survey feedback. Review past campaigns, assess all your comms channels, and segment by role, location, or department. Finally, use your findings to make a business case for better tools or more support. Want to build an IC strategy that actually works? We spent countless hours building a free hands-on guide with audit questions, real examples, and an 8-step checklist to help you pinpoint what's landing and what's not, cut down noise and inbox clutter, and build internal trust with messages employees actually read. It's built to help your team stop being reactive and start taking charge of your internal comms strategy. It's time to turn your internal comms into something everyone looks forward to.